What's up everybody, welcome back to the MW Tech channel, and yes, I'm so excited to do this video after a long time, an unboxing video. And this is a vast amount of things I have to say about these things. This is a wireless earbud, and I have done wireless earbud reviews of the X2T and this SonicGear ANC 3000 headphones, which are really great, by the way. And yes, so I got these things. These are called the basics, which is BXP90. Oh, it's BXP90. It's BXP90. I don't know why they just 90. We have a dynamic true wireless earphones, which is great. All right, so let's see. This is a freaking sealed box. Okay, I have to say that, and I have no clue how this will work. What are the things they will have with this? It's like the the AirPods, the first AirPods that came out. It looks like that, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to sound like that. All right, so before we all just let's do the unboxing. Let's do the official unboxing of this. And I have no clue. I'm gonna have this. Okay. All right. Give it. Let's take this off. All right. So this is the thing that you're gonna see. All right. So this is the thing that you're gonna see. This is pretty cool, right? So you can see the BXP90 with the dynamic true wireless earphone, and at the bottom you have the Bluetooth. I think this is the wireless connection that they shows, microphone, music call, and battery. And in here, on the other side, we have the this is the version V5, input 5 voltage, battery capacity 40 milliampere per headphone. That's not good. That's not pretty good. I don't think that's good. So we have a charging time of 40 to 50 minutes, playback time for 3 to 4 hours, and it has a waterproof standard earphone IPX3. And the charging case, oh, we have a charging case. That's really good. We have a charging case of IPX5. All right. Okay, good. So there are the details on the back side, which is, I don't know, I have never heard of this basics company. I think this is maybe an Indian or something like that. I have no clue. I have to just go and see what's inside. So just cut off the seals. So okay, all right, okay, good. All right, here it comes. Let's see the moment of truth. All right. Okay. Just look at this.
Wow.
That's it. That's it. And look at this. That's okay. So, wow. There you have it. This is so different than I thought. Okay, so we have a lightning port. So they have, oh my, I thought this is going to be a micro USB connector, but they have a lightning cable from Apple, which is, I never thought I would see something like this. And I don't know if this is an original one or a fake one, but it is here. And we have the user manual, which are the same things as the inside and the side of the box, which are the same thing, nothing different than that. And we have the product use, blah blah blah, and blah blah blah. All right, we don't need that. Let's keep this one here. And why there is something like this? I'm pretty curious, like why there is something like this on this side of the phone. I'm just curious about that. It's like a white tape. I don't know, man. Oh, wow. Okay, this is fun. All right. It's like you can hear the. It's like not firmly fixed. It's like loose a little bit. I don't know. Oh, wow. The hinge is a little bit loose, but this is cool, guys. Look at this. It's magnet. Wow, this is cool. All right. Okay. Oh my God. This is really cool. Wow, that is absolutely cool. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, that's really cool. Alright, so I think this is the logo, maybe. I have no clue. I don't know. But let's see. Alright, so let's keep these things aside. And we have this thing. Okay, so let's see. Do we have battery in here? No battery indicators. Is it dead? Or should I charge it or what? Just tell me, should I have to charge it? Like, is it no battery? Is it zero battery? Okay, so I think I have to charge it. Alright, fine. Let's see.
One eternity later.
Alright, so after charging this, I had no time, so I just quickly charged. So now you can see a little red light, right? So blinking here, which indicates low power, by the way. So it has medium power, and I have to see if you can see this red glowing line. You can see that, right? So there's the button in the back side of the button. So we have to connect this thing. Let's see, will it work or not? So I should connect them with Bluetooth. Let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna take these things out. Alright, so this is the pairing mode. You can see the red and the blue light is flashing on there. How about this? Should we press this for a long time or what? Now you can see there's the. This is really hard to pair. Holy shoot! Alright, okay, let's go Bluetooth. Alright, so it has connected. Alright, so it has connected. So they show basic blah blah blah. Alright, so it has 80% battery. I don't know how 80% came in, but they have 80%. That's good. Alright, let's see now. Let's go YouTube. Let's just play some music. Okay, I don't know. Alright, so before listening to anything, it fits okay because it's the design of the. Because most of the people doesn't like the stem. It comes up here and it's fine. It's okay. I think it can probably stay in my ears. Right, I'm just pretty sure about that because it's okay, it's fine, it's doing great. All right, so we have to check what does the sound. Okay, so all right, so let's just okay. So the maximum volume is like, it's like, if you guys can hear, no, I can hear. All right, like you should hear, right? It's fine. Okay, so the microphone, the speakers is actually, I don't see any bass. Actually, there's no bass, zero bass, to be honest. I don't know, man. I don't know. But man, you know what? Still, these things do something. You know, you have no wired connection. You have no wire. You're completely wireless, right? So that's what I'm saying. There are ups and downs, but the volume, like if you're like high, if you really listen to music, you really need to get the things in that. Man, I don't think this will help you, but it works. It's fine. It's fine, guys. It's really fine. The maximum volume is so good. All right, it's not good, guys. Let's see. How about the gestures? All right, let's try it out from by ourselves too. All right, so I'm gonna. There is no touch thing. All right, there is no touch. There's a. If you can see, out of focus, you can see the bump, right? There's a button here. So if you click the button, it's really hard to click because you know you have to click it so hard. Oh, it works with both sides. It's great. So if I have to decrease the volume, decrease the volume. Oh. Wow, that's cool. Wow, that's really cool. It works. Look at this. Increase the volume. Look at that. Cool, right? It's fine. Okay, it's gonna pause. Oh, so from that forward. Oh, got it. Right tap to go forward, left tap to go backwards. But the case is the bass, and I think these are good things, good one to buy because you know it's really hard. Let's see. I just need to see. Like I'm gonna put this thing in the case. All right. I'm just gonna put this thing in the case. I have to see, cut off the signal like that. Alright, let's see. No, they're still there. So I just put this thing in the charging case and let's see. It's not what? What the hell? It's playing inside this. This is garbage. Like you had to pause, you had to put them back, and also it's not gone. It's still there. If you play this track, it's playing, but I'm increasing the volume. As you can see, it's playing inside the case, which is complete shit. Yeah, don't buy this. If you find these to buy in any place, do not buy because you know, waste of money. Just buy a good one. You know, that's what I'm saying. It's useless. Alright guys, that's been it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already right now. See, it's 2-second thing, right? If you can, it's total free and you can unsubscribe at any time you want. So just feel free to do that. Alright, it's easy. Alright, okay, so that's been it guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one and have a nice day. Alright, have a nice day.